Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe all unwanted email in your Gmail in a very simple manner. How you're going to do it? First, you have to open your Gmail in your computer. As you can see, I literally opened the Gmail, and from here you can see there are lots of emails are fulfilled into my Gmail. So now what we're going to do, we're going to search over here called unsubscribe. Going to type it, and then going to click on this show search options, this filter, and then from here we will going to click on the create folder filter, and then click on this skip the inbox and click on apply the label. Choose the label, create a new label, and going to type it subscriptions, then create, and then click on also apply filter to matching conversations. So we will going to check these three boxes and then click on create filters. After that, into the subscription options, you can get a lot of emails into your Gmail, you can see. So you can simply check them all and then click on delete. Also, there is another option. If you look at this Hey Jen email, if you just come over here, you can see there will be an option showing called unsubscribe. So if you click on that, click on unsubscribe, you can simply unsubscribe them all by simply this. Or if you want them all to unsubscribe, just simply click all, select all, and then click delete. And that's it. It will simply delete your all unsubscribed email in your computer. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.